Handa raw si Senador Juan Ponce Enrile na makipagtulungan kung itutuloy ni Pangulong Noynoy Aquino ang pagpapaimbestiga sa martial law, kabilang ng pagpaslang sa kanyang amang si dating Senador Ninoy Aquino. Sinagot din ni Enrile ang umano'y pabago-bago niyang pahayag tungkol sa pamimeke ng kanyang ambush na naging huling mitsa noon ng martial law. Darito ang report.
Sa programang News to Go, tinalakay ni Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile ang ilan sa mga kontrobersyang bumabalot sa panahon ng martial law na nabanggit sa kanyang autobiography na Juan Ponce Enrile a Memoir. Kabilang sa mga sinagot ni Enrile ang umano'y pamimeke sa kanyang sariling assassination bago ideklara ni dating President Ferdinand Marcos ang martial law.
I never told him that I faked my ambush. I said the ambush was staged. I said, but I did not say who staged it.
Oh. So it was a real ambush. You almost died. Kasi may mga witness yung halimbawa yung driver daw ni...
What would they think? That I will park my car and shoot it? Oh, come on. I've already issued the order to the Chief of Staff. Effectively, when I issued the order, it was irreversible.
And Marcos did not need...
Martial law was irreversible.
He did not need the ambush as part of the justification.
He did not need an ambush.
Bago rin daw umalis sa pwesto si Marcos, inalok ng diktador ang pwesto ng Pangulo ng Pilipinas kay Enrile, na nooy pumayag ng manilbihan bilang miyembro ng gabinete ni Pangulong Cory Aquino.
After that conversation with Mrs. Aquino, President Marcos called me up, and he was giving me the government. But I told him, too late, we have already committed ourselves to President Cory. And I said, as I have written in the book, I said, well, in fact, we are on our way to attend the oath-taking. And Marcos wanted me to talk to Cory to postpone her oath-taking. I said, I cannot do that.
Ang pagkapangulo ni Aquino bunsod ng pagkamatay ng kanyang asawa na sinuoy opposition leader at kilalang kritiko ni Marcos na si Senador Ninoy Aquino. Ang kanyang pagkamatay, isa lamang sa mga kaso noong martial law na hanggang ngayon ay di pa rin nabibigyang linaw. Ayon kay Enrile, payag daw siyang humarap sa korteng bubusisi rito.
So I will testify under oath. If I was guilty, at my age, I'm willing to go to Muntinlupa. All of these years, generalities, we must investigate every incident in the country, one by one. Each case. And tamaan kung sinong tamaan. I have all the records with me.
Sir, will we ever know who...
And I will name the people who were involved in these things.
Including dun sa assassination ng ama ni President Aquino?
If I know.
Para sa unang balita, Dante Perello reporting.